Hey y'all, and welcome back to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. On today's episode, we'll be making a chicken enchilada bake. First thing you'll need is some olive oil or whatever type of oil you wish to use. Pour some of that oil down in a 9x13 baking dish and make sure you spread that all over the bottom and the sides. Now I have right here is about 4 to 4.5 cups of shredded rotisserie chicken. Now you'll place that on the bottom of your casserole dish. Now y'all, I messed up right here. So normally I would add my corn tortillas to the bottom of my dish instead of my chicken. But you know, we're just gonna go with it. So spread your chicken out very well. And now we have 1 can of green enchilada sauce, the mild sauce, and we're just gonna pour that down in the bottom of the dish on top of that chicken. And then we're gonna grab a spatula and spread that around a little bit to make it as even as possible. So now we have some sour cream. You will need in total 1 1/4 cup, or how much you desire. We're putting half of that sour cream on top of our chicken and enchilada sauce. Now spread that out really well as best as you can. It's not as easy when you already have your enchilada sauce in there, but you know, you just go with it. So right here I have 9 6-inch corn tortillas. Now I cut these up into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. Now we're gonna place about half of this on top of our other items. Make sure you try to get those spread out as even as you possibly can. Now we have a 2-cup bag of finely shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Add that entire bag to the top of your corn tortillas. Make sure you spread that out really well so that you cover every single inch of this casserole dish. So now we're gonna add the remaining ingredients to our chicken enchilada bake. Now I'm not gonna talk through this. I'll just let you guys sit back and watch. Now that we have our final layer of cheese on the top, we're gonna grab some aluminum foil. I have some thick aluminum foil here, especially for baking. Now add that to the top of your baking dish and place your dish in a preheated 375-degree oven for 40 to 45 minutes with the aluminum foil on your dish. Now after that, remove your enchilada bake from the oven and take off that aluminum foil and place that back in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow the cheese to brown on the top. Now keep a close eye out and make sure that you don't let the cheese burn. I hope you all enjoyed this episode on How Do You Cook Back to Basics. Until next time, y'all. Bye-bye now.